24-hour economy. Akosi saying, three kesiniaza. Hey. Abami ba was it 3 shifts? Tio was it 3 shifts?
Ain't it the biggest scam in the history of Ghana politics? And the policy of 24-hour economy. Bonohene, any other journalists, any TikTokers, I've clashing with John Mahama. No, beside question say, where is the 24-hour economy? Aha you Penyah block me. I want you to watch the word amame. Comment. Let's make us also subscribe button so. Now back click verification icon for latest updates. Now back to the word amame. Comment section. Obaswa. No one should video for any be ashe. 8 year 24 election no. Now end is for omu campaign policy no. Resetting Ghana agenda. Resetting Ghana agenda into parentheses or into bracket 24-hour economy. Adams no the game changer. Obia bedidi. Oka 24-hour economy no omu this for any say obia benya adwuma ye. Obia bedidi. Ema omu chirem the 24-hour economy the children say one job 3 shift 3 people. Adwuma ba ko na ye be run in 8-hour shift. It oba adwuma 8 hours no wapon. Na obi so aba another 8 hours no wapon. Now for so nti adwuma ba ko kro na ye be ma nipa miensa ana ye be run in shift. Ema entirim e ba fine. Omsa kra efa nipa mo ye ho Albert, I know omudi a promote any other kama.
Which we have a formula for the 24-hour economy. And it's a very simple one. Formula 133. Same job, 3 people, 3 shifts. So when we say 24-hour economy, guys, you respond by saying formula 133. Can we do this? Youth, can we do this? 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy.
Can we solve the unemployment crisis in Ghana? Yes, Massa.
By using formula 133.
Can you expatiate?
Say, this simply means 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. That is the Mahama 24-hour economy policy. Under this policy, businesses will be given tax incentives, cheaper electricity, financial support, and security support services to encourage them to work 24/7 by adopting 3 work shifts of 8 hours each. This will triple job opportunities in the country. This policy will boost production, increase productivity, and generate well-paying jobs in all participating businesses and public organizations.
Guys, all this unemployment with the go on for this country inside could be sorted out by John Mahama and the NDC's 24-hour economy policy. Easy. How you go do them? Simple. John Mahama and the NDC say them will encourage and support certain businesses, make them operate 24/7, preferably on the 3-shift system of 8 hours each, by creating an enabling environment that will promote productivity, competitiveness, and well-paying jobs for us after school.
Good, but men make a busy question. We can companies and businesses with John Mahama and the NDC they refer to.
The 24-hour economy will primarily but not exclusively focus on agro-processing, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, constructions, mining and the quarrying industries, leisure and hospitality, the sanitation and waste management, digital startups, business process outsourcing, retail centers, financial services, modern markets, transportation services. Some public institutions like the Ports and Harbour, Customs, DVLA, and Passport Office are all included. What the be saying, there are no limits to companies and businesses who will benefit from the 24-hour economy policy.
Mensa. You sure say this 24-hour economy system go fit work?
Go fit pa.
But on that same 24-hour economy, how now some of their political party members, especially as indicative, and some of the communicators, on campaign grounds, and what the ones are there, scam. Because 24-hour economy, no, say the say, "I, you better to lad bill, so just say, no, am I here? What I say, but." Yet over we are Nancy at Penyah and Maya. And what it is, yes, here over $2.5 billion. And straight to my launch 24-hour economy. Emma Babe 3-4 months ago, we said Mahama, Session to the president. John Robert Mahama, Okushia, Accra Mountain Zone baby. and a copper 24-hour economy a hontoma. And without from there, no, you after the launch, no, after the 24-hour economy launch, no, nothing they move. Bibia so the country is back to say the next city, nothing they go on. You see, company be maybe a factory, be a shame cost. So just and one the just the launch now, you launch the keke. And no other comedian as well, Bonohene. Any other journalists, any TikTokers, John Mahama say, where is the 24-hour economy there? One job, 3 people, 3 shifts. Away, and answer, and also not just political talk.
24-hour economy. I was saying, 3 Kesiniaza. Hey. Abani ba was it 3 shifts? Tio was it 3 shifts? 24-hour economy. And Mabuda Wafia near Jumaye. Wobano wa Tifia wa yesto wa near Jumanya no. Abani promise or the buy and say dia wo ba. Wobi be ye Juma no pa. Wobi be ye Juma wia. Obi ye Juma najo. We twa 8 hours. We twa 8 hours. We be twa 8 hours. Enti adwuma nipa ba ko ye no, nipa miensa ebe ye by extension obi abenya adwuma ye okruma. Akosi sai.
Wa she.
NDC in opposition. Yentie Johnson said dunkatia. Miame wafa no no. Wono na ye chairman. Ma NDC as a political party. Promises how they buy. What can you say? One more than can you get Juma na Jono? Abani basa na be yan kania bo be kofom. We ye Ghana niya. Hey, when yatim die, when yan disi sem and PPSM, on kania bo kofom ana. Yentie Johnson said dunkatia nemra.
24-hour economy no. The ayaba ni say abai ebecha electricity boa ewo from kura ediama enyuma yefo Mobeba Juma and a John Mabeya Juma. Enti Muamoya fundraise. Muamoya welders. Muamokrakra, a cast in India, Manema, Mushia, electricity pano. Mo penofo. Namo Juma and Fasua Bamua. Moba sign Namoba Juma and Ajo. And Ajo use electricity. Nanebua day, a conform. One more year iron rods. And near year Muyusu. Anyama wode keseno mo be ye mo adwuma anajo a wo be hu se anyama wode bo be ko from pa aboamo ama mo anya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye enti abana nteni a church 24-hour economy num na mujitumu a eno aye game changer ewo oman Ghana
wa she.
Me ba to game no a change ya na we Ghana ni is a basic question. Game no a change. The lifeline Ghanaian, you can lifeline Ghanaian na. Wo bia wo yusu bo ba kokra ne kan ya bo kosoro. A lifeline Ghanaian.
Shenia kasa.
Wo bia wo yusu single bob. TV ba ko ne kan ya bo kosoro. Obi a ton iron rods no ana wo twitwa nade ana wo ye adwuma anajo no bisa nipa no wo ye NDC ni a wo ben no a bi radio no wontie next time ani nya mistake bi radio no kase na wontie na bisa ne say hey opanyin a wo ye carpenter ni wo panyin a wo factory anya bi ankane abo no aba fam ana
ne ka na da hodo
game na change
ne ka na da hodo
ana agro no se na sidi no eno ana edi no
Shenia kasa.
Omo kaya momo kasa wache ya beton bi omo the pub disco because man pay on one book my first school guitar book o se ade na nije ho pay disco se man sheki omo to no hwe bi disco sasa no mo ye me ma dwene mu no disco se me kosa me kosa ye hwe ma ye hwe me ma anya disco no no
John Mahama
Watch a man at 2 a.m. Okruma.
ne ka na da hodo
3 a.m. Watch a man. Montrame. Watch a 4 to 2. Or Moton watch 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Scams.
Wait.
As I for trickers for. Near John Mahama Betracunaso.
Shenia kasa.
Nipa only here. Because Constitution is the thing clear. 4 years. What do Cokromotino? Won't mean for 2 and 2 by infriso. But must come Ghana for.
Shenia kasa.
Roadmap buying 24-hour economy. Yes, ya pound.
Shenia kasa.
Roadmap near them. One family na Ghana for King. Yeah, media for no. Momo de bar, media me yard making Kevia Ghana for. Saturday shifts and say, yeah, Juma.
ne ka na da hodo
School ban no more running Saturday shifts no.
ne ka na da hodo
From basic school, from KG to university. School buying the one who said, or more running sa 3 shifts, no, ebi akwa no pa, ebi akwa wia, ebi kwa na jo, what to be that?
You can we also be reset your mind.
And about 2 a.m. Yanko, young chinchini, a bang me come, near me says at 2 a.m. no, a bang me come and a year, Juma.
Penyah kasa.
My end in Trosa. Habasana say, ya take it Ghanaian for granted.
Hey, not ready for to be Trosa.
Because of political power. Yan find the way, a better na kunyaso, near control, and to yen intro.
Hey,
a better be one here, and this in Ipia Ghana and Hunu crowd, Bubunaniji.
And try now they firm.
Till 2025.
You can we also be reset your
Akaba young 2026, 2027, may catch that with Nessa we are Ghana for. What we end this bad the Tantan or Kruma. Because in Toronto Dawson.
And I'm better I don't know can you see.
The American of crop atoms one year, yeah, so in a hawkish manner.
Say I am out of band been in Penyah.
In a hawkish manner. Nansantam or one piece we say, Namu ba thank you to. I will you crum. Thank you to Namu ba will crum no. Position mama yebi. Ye to ba we mo yama. Enti thank you to no mo kwaye den okogie 20 TV no kokansa asem.
Wa she.
Won ma de de no. The truck cat say omra hwan say fake o say send this one more fake. Omo hwan discipline hwan.
Wa.
Because MP aka no kre. Party a untimi nka no kra, untimi mie wa no nka wasem. Wo ka ye be ba so in a hawkish manner. NDC.
We are expecting a letter from the president. The president, John Mahama, please, Ghanaians are expecting a letter from you. Just tell us, just write to us, dear Ghanaians, I, President John Mahama, I promised to give you 24-hour economy. 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. But now, I can't even pay nurses. I can't even pay teachers. I can't even pay my ministers. So please, this 24-hour economy, I cannot implement it. Please forgive me. Yours sincerely, John Mahama, President of Ghana. Then we will forgive you. It's something simple. Just come out and just write us a letter so that we can forgive you. It's very simple. Dear Ghanaians, I, President John Mahama, I promise to 24-hour economy, but I'm not being able to pay our teachers. I'm not being able to pay our nurses. I'm not being able to pay our ministers. And in fact, I'll find it difficult to employ 3 people to run 1 job or to run 3 shifts. So please forgive me, I can't do it. And also, PURC, we are begging you, whatever conversation you have to do, you have to have with Gridco, ECG, Ghana Water Company, whatever, please, we are begging you. Ghanaians, many Ghanaians are not receiving their salaries. There have not been any increment in salaries. Please and please, listen to the crowd of Ghanaians. Don't increase the tariffs. Also to GPRTU, we are pleading with you. Do not increase lorry fares. We all know the price of fuel has started increasing. But please and please, do not increase the lorry fares. We are pleading with you because many people haven't received their salaries. Many people haven't get any salary increment. Please and please, we are pleading with you. Don't do this. Listen to the crowd of Ghanaians. Thank you very much.
Everybody in this country, when they win election, everybody will be employed. There was an advert that at the end of the day, the last end of that was that when Mahama wins, everybody will be employed. Campaign promises. That's what is hitting them back. Interestingly, they have not even started recruiting. The little they have come to meet to pay is even a problem. But there's a government that said, it is the previous government that's not employing you. Government, you will be employed. There was a whole advert about 1 job, 3 employment. This was an NDC campaign message.
That's under the 24-hour economy.
Thank you. So why are we struggling to pay these small people when, according to the health minister, even for the health sector, there are about 78,000 who are waiting to be employed? I've said that if we take politics out of things, that we tell people the factual issues in this country, we will be able to deal with these things better. The John Mahama administration, before handing over to Akufo-Addo, left almost like 100,000 unemployed people. We even had unemployed graduate association. It's not because John Mahama doesn't want to employ them. It's because the state kitty can't afford. We have to let the conversation be around the facts. And the people who have limited expectations, people who have measured expectations. But when an election and a whole campaign message is that when this candidate wins, when John Mahama wins, it is going to be 1 job, 3 people. And so everybody will be employed. You give this hasty message, generalized message, and the unemployed people assume that, oh, they need this government car, we are all going to be employed. The reality is that that is just a political message. Unfortunately, many people will fall for it because we live in a country with high unemployment. So if somebody is promising that when a candidate can, people will be employed, people are likely to believe it. Because truth of life, you finish school or you are expecting a job and you don't have it. It's so frustrating.
True.
We have all been through it.
True. Yeah.
Seeking a job after school is so frustrating when you are not getting the job. So if somebody is promising a job, it's normal. I'm surprised that the government has said 1 job, 3 people is struggling to pay the few that has been recruited before they came to office. Then the question is, what about all those who were actually not recruited before and they are all expecting jobs from you?
But were provisions made for
Forget
those
about
who
the provisions. When they were making the promise, they talk about provisions.
Because they are yet to employ.
No, what the provisions...
They inherited these...
That is what I meant. See, don't let us not go there. The NDC, though in opposition, they knew the state of Ghana. They have been in government before. And that's the when they were leaving, they also left a lot of unemployed people. The Akufo-Addo government also made a lot of noise that when they come, they will employ them. But the reality that when they came, because of the backlog, yes, they cleared the backlog. But then those who also passed out during their era, most of them remain unemployed. Let's understand that government can't employ people. And I sat here and said, this 24-hour economy thing, it is not a government policy. It's a function of demand and supply. If there are private entities that are doing well in this country, and they are expanding, the economy is good and they are expanding, they are the one who will be absorbing people. It's not government that should be focused on employing people, because government is not a business. Government is supposed to be taking our taxes, whatever it gets from our natural resources, loans and grants. These are the 3 sources of money government gets. And we all know the state of our country in terms of taxes we collect.
The abine de pa no yema wonoma nkwala bibria na to Mahama kwen Mahama kwen ejumera kwen yi ejuma ba konkofo miensa be enese mi bisa young girl be national service girl be mi bisa ne say you can't 24-hour economy out as also I say ejuma bebu ye be ejuma sa ma ya
24-hour economy ya pa hontuma Mahama ke wo the big push ni nyina no aban no apa ho entuma enye good step.
Abusube
nkrumu.
Me chocho ni na.
Okay, abusube nkrumu. 24-hour economy wa pa hontuma. Mahama ke ewo ho the big push abusube nkrumu abana pa hontuma enye good step.
Uko Nigeria there were a friend audio money.
Audio money.
Sika wate wa wasum.
Na unhu ye.
He. Opa bi o telephone line ni. Na kase obi a wonye adwuma wa 24-hour economy mu omfrɛ me no betu nchia unya bako audio money 24-hour economy the mind say say o ma publish book bi 24-hour economy policy document o kan no de akero mpacho nipa hina enye adwuma wo nipa hina omo ye adwuma adwuma bako nipa miensa 3 shifts
honorable me hobi
almost bibi bo why friend adwuma wura media minim nipa hina enye adwuma wo adwuma wura ni mu omba say 1 million coders pacho unim coda bi
davi
and this for one udi agrom de nyum ni omano ni asa ni ade be fefa wo hu saa by the end no be kom no be hu say adwuma bi MPM na point I mean making is say uka the real sector of the economy and by now no wo hwe anim say abino ni major flagship program near a started swaba. Nana Akufo-Addo buy no September by this time na free SHS.
Yeah.
Mama a utie me say me boa ka kire me. Nana Akufo-Addo na mo say onye ni trimu eden keka on eden. September
na free
first year ni mu. Me kaita ma Mustafa Hamid dem meeting so am sorry. Me kaita ma Mustafa Hamid call meeting by na me and deputy beka tell me say Abochi presidency has started free SHS in September, we say.
2017.
2017 September. Now, thousands of Nkwala binya free SHS on faso. And I say fiase inya free SHS on faso. Enya October muni away.
Enya la ne se eyezu eyaza. Na ebusia munim arewosem a ewo sa video na mo hwe nim. Arewosem e wo mun se. Sa boys na o mo ye sa video nim po no. omotifi a omuni adwumaye sa boys na na omo yesa advert no ede ama NDC fo no omuni adwumaye hwe 24-hour economy ne de the biggest scam in the history of Ghana. Ebisida yenya eye politicians ahodo amoma be shebo ahodo emomoko but 24-hour economy na John Mahama wode beto Ghana fo tirim se obia benya adwumaye no ebusua eye the biggest scam wode aba be dada Ghana fo wode dada Ghana fo nyina NDC eyezu eyaza so wutie me so bia benya adwumaye adwuma no bebusoa ma brochirefo nyina be fra brochira ba benya adwumaye busa ho se adwuma no wo henfa adwuma na omo hye mo bo se wo bia benya adwumaye ana nkokon ketenkete ana de ben ana we be free ha ana we ko nopa na we akọ nyumre na we akọ na ye ka kire mu se enya ade be edu tambi mpo no esie do nketia ba be ka kire Ghana fo se ana omombe ye friend say enkofo kura beton wa acha anajo omo fitafo nyina be ye adwuma anajo se ne be ya enkanea no ebeba fo esie do nketia o ode betu mutirim se moto abade ma NDC a enkanea ebuo beba fom na fitafo nyina be ye adwuma anajo emia be ka kire mu se enye possible abruchira mpokura ne ye wo ha na me driver ni abruchira mpo na se bi car se doors wo ha no kura no fitafo eye 8 hours eya no pa ekusi anyumre no mapon na kampese Ghana oh akwana ni tikasi no DKB as a wine ono so ka ho omo be ye ana banks nyina be bie eya anajo Ghana bank awia kete kura no akronfo di tuo esi nkofo so age omusika say bank ba be ye adwuma eya anajo omo de adada mo omo de adada Ghana for ene Ghana for esu na mo fi se bia sabi na ye tumo fo se monya ahwe na nkofo we omo ni adwuma papa bia de mamo no na mo fi se boa ene 24-hour economy no adane boachi bidin omo mpese ombebo so kra omo mpese ye beka ho asem na Ghana so pe adwuma pa den enye Ghana nko a o ewiase afo na ba bia so pe adwuma pa den a eye adwuma wafa to ho so se odie amamuo bone a ekoso NDC amamuo bone entrone na adana ekoso no wodi also be defending wodi also be kasa adada nkofo din enye izo ene omo communicators ni nyina omo hudi omo nka ene Kevin Taylor ene ohudi wonka ene Captain Smart okan we ne ade achi anu akwa kan we kese omo akwa ese eye nkofo bi asa omo ko mani no ma bo mochi omo ye wonran and how many times the mutati Kevin Taylor nka oba ne ade achi awomba because ade be na wo ba beka Bosha hodo a wa ban no ehye 24-hour economy obia bedidi obia be ye adwuma obia be say wa che kure beton wa che anajo we di ne besia kyese omo keka sansem we nyina ma ne to Ghana emeburu ni tirim because omo pe adwuma ye ema nkwada ana na adedanko akufuado etimi edo mu ko school free omo ntwe kapreba sankwada we nyina hyase so mu di na adedanko akufuado atem eso no omawofo entwe kapreba ene sankwada yi omo tititifie at least na adedanko akufuado de odo mu ko school etwanye bibia akra no watimi ahwe Ghana fo nkwada John Mahama woso shebo omo bo say oba omo nyina benya adwuma ye adwuma bebuso ama obia bedidi eti John Mahama enkwadana na Nadedanko Akufo-Addo edo mu ko school free mode eye sabi ensem hye omutrim emo fa na Nadedanko Akufo-Addo ho tan no enkwadana se adwuma na mo hye omobo 24-hour economy obi abedidi obi abaye adwuma no san kwadana se mimbusa mo se sa 24-hour economy no da ben na ye hye ase ehefa no monko na se do monko pa adwuma de binye se ma hye ase so a monkyere ye kwan no na san kwadana nko pa eye adwuma ne binye mo ma san kwada we be didi na Nadedanko Akufo-Addo atem ene awofo kem because the Nadedanko Akufo-Addo free education or the buy and the ayanwan resetting abusunya simple me phone ya ekutami se me kasa me reset phone na ya wo no ma bi wo ho a ya wo pictures bi videos bi wo ho a wan hwe be free phone so because me reset me change bibia ye bibia foforo ama phone no s ye friends ni munu it one sha e no maybe wo ha e be free phone so because me reset phone Ghana for antiase enutina John Mahama baaye e no maybe wo ha eye munai se wo ba be reset it will reset no bebrebe free so bebrebe free with free education ayenwonwa 24-hour economy ni o de adada mu galamse no omutu omo reset eyezu eyaza Kionet aban papa na mo se ebeba no aban papa na aba no wasetena mutisen adwuma ekosen mode na Nadedanko Akufo-Addo ene bawomia ebuo ebebre wo because omutumufo omo ka kire mo ye ka kire mo nti na tie no mo ye sa advert no komodi wo mo omo kromo ni adwuma ye na kampese wo asa DK bina ni tise eye Ghana map no DK bina ni tise Ghana map na ono be say 24-hour economy ana ye banks nyina be bie eye anajo no sa DK bino ni tise Ghana map no ono ene wo hefa wa tonsuom onse na ono krakra no onya comedy show kra mbo bie mo onya comedy show o men mo ye tawe o men mo ye den ama eye ekrampo enya aduane mpo endi
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section aha Penyah BigscoutMedia